That single leaf in your spice rack once crowned Olympic champions in ancient Greece, inspired the poets of Rome, and filled the medicine chests of healers across Persia. Bay leaf carries a history as rich as its aroma, and today, modern science is confirming what traditional cultures have always known. This humble herb is a genuine wellness powerhouse. The bay leaf found in most kitchens comes from Laurus nobilis, a Mediterranean evergreen cultivated for over 2,000 years. There are other varieties, the stronger California bay leaf and the cinnamon-like Indian bay leaf, but Laurus nobilis is the most studied and widely available and the one we focus on today. Inside each leaf is a powerful collection of active compounds. Cineole, the dominant one, is a proven anti-inflammatory that supports respiratory health. Linalool, the same soothing molecule found in lavender, delivers natural calming effects. Eugenol, shared with cloves, acts as a natural antiseptic. Add antioxidant flavonoids, vitamins A and C, and minerals including iron, calcium, and magnesium, and bay leaf delivers a nutritional profile that genuinely surprises most people. So, what does all of this mean for your health? Bay leaf is a potent antioxidant. Its compounds neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that accelerate aging, damage healthy cells, and drive chronic disease. Making bay leaf a regular part of your diet is one of the simplest investments in your long-term health. Bay leaf contains eugenol and other compounds with lab-demonstrated antimicrobial activity. Regularly using bay leaf in cooking may help reduce microbial overgrowth in the gut as part of a diet, though it's not a substitute for hand sanitizer. For digestion, bay leaf has been a trusted natural remedy for centuries. It stimulates digestive enzymes, reduces bloating and gas, calms irritated stomach lining, and supports overall gut motility. If you struggle after heavy meals, bay leaf tea is among the gentlest and most effective tools available. The blood sugar findings are compelling. Studies show bay leaf, especially in powdered form, can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting glucose in people with type 2 diabetes. Not a replacement for medical treatment, but a meaningful and well-researched natural complement. Bay leaf also directly targets chronic inflammation, a root cause of arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic disorders. The cineole it contains interrupts key inflammatory pathways, offering real protective value over time. And through its linalool content, the same calming compound found in lavender, bay leaf supports the nervous system, easing mental tension and encouraging calm. Whether sipped as a tea or used as a burned aromatic, its effects on stress are subtle but real. In the kitchen, bay leaf could not be simpler to use. Drop 1 or 2 whole dried leaves into soups, stews, rice, lentils, or slow-cooked sauces. Always remove them before serving. They stay rigid and are unpleasant to bite into. For a wellness tea, simmer 2 dried leaves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Add ginger or cinnamon to taste. Sip after meals for digestion or before bed to unwind. For a finishing oil, warm olive oil with 3 bay leaves on low heat for 15 minutes, strain and bottle. Drizzle over roasted vegetables, salads, or fresh bread, simple and deeply flavorful. On safety, bay leaf is well tolerated by most people in everyday culinary amounts. Never swallow a whole leaf. Pregnant women should avoid concentrated doses. Anyone managing blood sugar with medication should speak to their doctor first. Ancient wisdom, modern science, and extraordinary versatility, all in one small, remarkable leaf. Add it to your kitchen and your wellness routine today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Keep nourishing yourself inside and out.